ZombiU is a first-person survival horror video game developed by Ubisoft Montpellier and published by Ubisoft. It was released for the Wii U as one of its launch games in November 2012. In the game, the player assumes control of a human survivor amid a 2012 zombie apocalypse. Featuring a permadeath system, it uses the Wii U GamePad extensively to scan the environment and maintain the survivor's inventory. The game was released under the name Zombi for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4 and Xbox One in 2015. The port, handled by Straight-Right, adds new melee weapons and removes the multiplayer feature. Ubisoft was approached by Nintendo to develop a mature game for its gaming console. Wii U originally envisioned as a spin-off of the Raving Rabbids franchise and a fast-paced first-person shooter, Killer Freaks from Outer Space. The game was retooled as ZombiU after the development team realized that the Wii U GamePad was suitable for slower-paced games. Many of the game's features, including the GamePad feature and the permadeath feature, went through several iterations. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.